How to use Audacity as a beginner. Audacity will help you record and edit your audios professionally. So let's start, guys. Let's start with user interface. Now, as you can see, there is a pause button, a play button, stop, skip to start, skip to end, and record button. This is where we do the recordings. And after that, there are a bunch of other tools. For example, there is a selection tool and envelope tool, draw, zoom, time shift tool, and multiple tool. After that, there is a click to start monitoring. If you click right here, you will see that if your audio is too high or too low, as I am seeing right now, if you click right here, it will be hidden. After that, there is a playback level, and this is the recording volume and recording playback. After that, there is a cut option, copy, paste, and zoom in, zoom out, and different options that we will see. After that, there is a microphone option which will help you select whatever your microphone is. I'm recording with this right now. Then you can select your mono recording or stereo 2. Then, for example, if you want to record 2 channels at a time, you can go with 2. I am recording in mono, and then speaker is my laptop speaker because I do not have any external speaker right now which is attached to my laptop. After that, you can see there is a file option, edit, select, view, transport, tracks, generate, effects, analyze, tools, and help. We will use these to record our video and to record our audio. Now let me show you how you can actually record. So all you have to do is just hit this record button, and now you will see that the audio will start to record. So yeah, let's record, and all you have to do is just click this button and it will start recording like it's doing right now. You will see that your audio is being recorded, and you can monitor your voice up there if you are too loud or if you are too slow. Then to stop, all you have to do is just hit this. If you want to pause, you can hit a pause button, or you can just simply stop. So yeah, guys, you can see I just recorded this. Once you click stop, now we're gonna see what we can do with this audio. So if I just go ahead and click right here, you can just simply play. So you just heard what I recorded. You can just hear your voice anywhere you will just select, your voice will start playing. Okay, so if, for example, if I want to cut something I stuttered, or I do not want to add something which I said, so all I have to do is just select any of the audio that I do not want it to be included, and go ahead and click on this scissor and it will cut. Or you can go ahead or do it with Ctrl+X also. For now, I'm just gonna undo that. You can just undo anything you do from these 2 buttons given here. After that, you can see that if you have recorded a long audio and you want to focus on one particular place or area, you can just go ahead and select that and zoom in, and it will actually give you an in view of your audio of what happened, and you can just view your audio within seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom out for now. After that, if I want to create another audio, I can just simply go to tracks and add a new mono track. You can see that I can go ahead and create a multiple of audios right here. After that, there is a copy option. All you have to do is just select, it will be copied, and after that you can copy it, and if you want to paste it somewhere, you can just select the area and paste it right there. Then there is a option of trim audio outside. Okay, so if I select right here, and this is the option, if I select here, you will see that the only audio which I got is this area, the area I selected. The rest will be cut off. And the next tool is exactly the opposite. If I do this, then the area I selected is cut off and the rest of the audio will remain as it is. And then what else you can do? Okay, let's jump into these tools. This is the selection tool. Obviously you can just select any audio from here. So this is an envelope tool. It will help you lower any of the audio you want to. For example, you want to lower any pad, you can just select that and you can lower that audio and that part. After that, there is a draw tool, zoom in and zoom tool, which will help you zoom in and out. And then there is a time shift option. So yeah, what you have to do in this is you can just select any part or select the whole audio and you can actually move it. If you want to move it to another track, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to add it in the end and record something before your audio, you can do that. It just simply allows you to move your audio wherever you want to. So this way you can actually create a very professional, if you are a singer even, you can use Audacity to play around your different tracks. After that, there is a multiple tool which helps you get all the tools that we discussed in one. Okay, after that, let's go to effects and let me show you how you can actually add different effects to your audio. For example, I go ahead and go to effect. Now when you select effect, you can see there are a bunch of effects that you can add. You can amplify, there is bass and tempo, change pitch, change speed, change tempo, click removal, there is fade in, fade out, echo, repair. There are a lots of bunch of cool features that are given in Audacity. So for now, for example, I want to amplify. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and increase the amplification. For example, if you are a YouTuber and you do not have a good mic or anything, so you can just simply go ahead and increase the amplification of your audio. After that, we can go to effect and normalize our sound if I want to. What this will do is, they're saying we have to select the area first. Okay, so you're gonna select your audio and you can go to effects and normalize it. It will help you normalize your audio, and you know, all the effects and parts that were here and there, it will normalize automatically. After that, there is another cool effect that I wanted to show you, which is noise reduction. Yep. Okay, so when you are, for example, you are a YouTuber or you do not have a very good mic and you're not like very professional, or even if you are a singer and you want to remove the background noise, which is the main problem that we see. So it's, what's gonna happen is, all you have to do is, we're gonna record again. Okay, so in order to do noise reduction, what we have to do is just record a simple sound, like an empty sound of our room or where we are sitting, so we get a noise reduction profile. So what you have to do is just record and then stop it. Now this is what my noise reduction looks like this is what my room sounds like, and I do not want these background noises. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna simply select that noise and go to effects and noise reduction and get noise profile. Now Audacity knows what my noise reduction looks like. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and select the audio, go to effects again, noise reduction, and okay. Once I do that, you will see that the noise reduction, not from even here, like from my whole audio, the noise reduction has been removed. So this is very cool. You don't have to, Audacity is not only providing you a recording tool but a very good editing tool as well. So yeah, you can do that. After that, you can go to effect and fade in or fade out any of the audio you want to. You can repair, you can repeat, reverb, reverse, and do a lots of things with this. After that, there is a generate option which allows you to shape, noise, silence, or tone. Then there is analyze option, different tools, and transport, view, which helps you zoom, track size, skip to history, and toolbar. What else? So yeah guys, this is like pretty much it for the beginners tutorial, like because I showed you everything around. How you can record the audios, you can cut them, you can edit them, you can reduce the noise reduction, and you can actually create awesome audios with it. And here below you can see that there is an option of start and of selection, and there is actually a time given for you, so you can know that how long your audio is. And after that, here you can see different, if you want to mute or solo, and different options of this particular track will are given right here. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this Audacity tutorial. I hope I was a big help to you and you will create your awesome recordings on Audacity from now on. And yeah, I will see you